Okay, here's the guy who's basically breaking the wood. This thing is gonna fall. Well, this time it's not underneath my car. But last time it was literally underneath my car, destroying my car. Was a total loss. I'll show you pictures of that later. I tried to scare him. Pop! He won't get scared at all. Now I'm gonna throw this piece of rock, and see what happens. This crackhead sucker causing me problems. Let me see. Oops, that didn't work. He's gonna stay all there. He's gonna break that wood and it's gonna fall and it's gonna hurt somebody. It's just gonna hurt somebody. I'm gonna see if I can find a rock that I could maybe hit the wood and scare him, but I'm not sure if I can do it. Let me see. Yes! Right on the spot, my friend.